like that, he will do something.
Here he comes.
This one on a circle like this. I hope no problem.
Daddy, there is no problem, and there is still problem.
Yes, exactly.
The youth of this land, they are no more happy. In fact, I know that they are coming. So as you are inside dressing, as I tell them to wait, that you must come outside. So they are here. Hear what they have to say.
What is the problem, my brother?
As the leader of the youth in this community, I and my colleagues, we decided to come and see you. There is a proverb that says, we know you as one of the important personalities in this community. We decided to come and see you so that you will help us and talk to Igwe. What is happening in this community? The youth are no longer happy.
At all.
Especially the tradition of this community. Something has to be done.
And Onwa, Igade. Aso so chuba wata. Obalogwe ibumere. One of the things that is happening in this community is very, very bad. Our ladies, they can't even get married anymore. Not even only that. Even the youths, the boys of this community, because of this so-called stupid tradition. That is why we are here. For you to go and talk to the Igwe. Where if any come near? Because we
the most annoying part of it to me is this. Okay. The Igwe and the wicked elders claim that all those things that are starting from the youth, they are using it to develop the community. Tell me all this while. What has been developed? Nothing. What has been developed? Extorting money for people for nothing. Come on, that is the road that leads to stream, the Ogwe that is there.
Your Ogwe was broken.
And has it been repaired?
Thank you very much. Thank you, youth. As you can see, I prepare to go out. I'm going somewhere, and they're waiting for me now. I have spoke to Igwe severally because of this case. Igwe don't want to listen to me. I don't know what he means. So if you youth can make it, go to Igwe and speak to him face to face. I would like it. I would like it. We go.
Onwa, it is not going to the Igwe that matters. We saw the Igwe, that's why we came to you first. Because we respect you very much. We want you to go and talk to the Igwe yourself. Because this rain, that's a mini energy Ifa. If this rain should eventually fall, it will not meet the good ones. Including
the Igwe himself.
So that is why we say you should talk to the Igwe.
No, it's getting out of hand. The Igwe must suffer it too. If they are the one calling you, let them they better be the one calling you. Something needs to be done urgently.
So whether they are the one calling you.
Yes, they are calling me now. Yes, exactly. If you people want to do anything you want to do, they are these people. These are the people.
It better be the Igwe himself,
so
because
this is not Igwe. Igwe cannot call me on phone. Rather, I will call him. Igwe have no time. He have no time to call me on phone.
There's something need to be done,
Papa. I would like you people to go to Igwe. Any other day you will visit Igwe, just let me know. If I have chance, I will go with you people.
Papa.
Hello.
Papa,
see more of you. Thank you very much.
See, I know my dad. Yeah, he will do something about it. But in case if nothing is being done about it, with the youth, we will work this thing out on ourselves.
Exactly. Yes, let's think together and go and see together.
If you go
get to that Igwe's palace,
if you mekwa jump on.
Greetings, my friends. You sent for me.
Yes, Archie. I got your message, and I had time to speak with my father. You understand my father, he can be a very difficult man, but I believe if you speak to the youths, if you can give us some time, I believe he would understand the plight of the youth and abolish this tradition that is making everybody suffer.
I heard you, my prince. I pray that your father will listen to you, because the youth are very, very angry about the tradition of this community.
It's okay. Like I said, I spoke with him. So please speak to the youth to give us some time. I'm sure we can resolve this.
I will do.
My promise.
I'll take my leave. Have a good day, Archie.
Honey, you're really looking good.
Honey, I missed you so much.
I missed you as well.
So.
I hope you didn't do any bad thing.
Oh, why would you be thinking of such, honey?
I trust anyway. I trust you.
Shut up, honey. So, honey, how did the burial ceremony go?
Well, everything went well. Oh, thank God.
Wow, that's nice. So, what's up with our marriage plans? Has it been called up yet?
No. The whole thing is still the way it is, and I'm still very much confused about it. I really don't know what those people need from me.
Honey, I am just sick and tired of this whole delay. I mean, if we can't have this wedding in the Catholic Church, the other Pentecostal churches, we can have it.
You're right, my dear. But the fact is that the way it is now, you have to give me some time to think about it, okay? I want to get married to you. Relax, cheer up. We'll get married, okay?
Yeah, I can't wait. My friends will be laughing at
I
me.
know. Soon they will rejoice with you. They will rejoice with you. And your marriage will be one of the best in town.
Oh, yeah,
I
really?
promise you that.
Thank you.
Yeah, with John Paul.
Ah.
I'm important to the task, okay?
Of course, I know I have the best.
Get me water. Let me take. No, I can't just end it like this. So where are we going tonight?
Anywhere of your choice, I'm gamed.
I'm ready.
You called me. Hope there's no problem.
Oh no one. My ears has full because what I heard. People are talking against you. People gathered here. They spoke a lot of things against you.
Meaning what?
Listen,
Is that what you called me?
Listen, let me tell you, my friend. You cannot hear the voice of Ada. So you don't want to hear from me.
Yes, let Ada speak what is obtainable. Yes! Let Ada talk what is obtainable. So you called me to this place to come and start telling me all these things. Huh? I want me to listen. Some boys plan to kill me. If you see the way I was running.
Listen,
huh?
One day small boys will beat you on the road. Beat the hell out of you. And I don't want it to be so. I covered you secretly. I protect you secretly. Now I called you. I want you to listen carefully. I did under the bed. I have seen it clear.
If you see the way I was running, I almost fell off. I almost fell down while I was running, thinking that you called me to come and give me the money I asked you to give to me.
Money?
Yes!
Are you a money monger?
Yes, I'm a money monger to you. In fact, I am armed robber to you, my brother. You had your effrontery to sit me down and tell me nonsense. You called me all the way to come and start telling me what is not obtainable. I want me to listen. Onwa, you opened your mouth and said one day small boys will beat me in this village. Onwa, look at you. You have your effrontery. You have the guts to be telling me this kind of a thing. I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed. Onwa, you're supposed to be praising me and your brother. Defend me anywhere you go to.
Oh no, what? Totally disappointed over you.
You're disappointed?
Yes.
Onwa, you're disappointed.
You cannot hear the voice of Ada. Somebody who senior you. I senior you in life, senior you everywhere.
Yes!
And you don't want to hear from me.
Say something reasonable and I will obey you.
So this one is not...
It's not reasonable. How can you sit down with some group of people where they're saying that they want to kill your brother and you watch them say that kind of a thing? Now you want to give it to me as an advice. Why didn't you fight for me if you love me? You should have fought for me that very day.
Did you know what I told them?
What did you tell them?
Did you know what I told them?
Huh?
I've already guided you. I already protect you. Finish. They call you privately to speak to you. You are panicking.
Look, Onwa, I am not panicking. No. I am not panicking. I'm just angry. I'm just angry over you because you're disappointing me in every way. I'm telling you, they call you Onwa. You only shine in your house. Look, let me tell you, you're Onwa in your house. Shine in your house. Don't talk about my family. Don't talk about me. Live my life. You understand?
If I leave your house now, if I leave your family now,
what do you do for me? Onwa, can you remember?
How many times have I given you a reasonable money?
Onwa, thank you. Look, Onwa, all the money been given to me, I don't know. That money is a ritual money. Yes, you're going to explain to money, the kind of money you give to me because those money are useless.
Onwa, can you refund the money to me?
Yes. I can refund those money. Oh.
Okay, I give you 1 month to refund the money.
Look, 1 month is too much. Give me 1 week and I refund all the money. Look at you, you answer Onwa. They call you Onwa. You know, Onwa. You only Onwa in your house, so shine in your own house. Don't shine in my own house. Leave my family alone.
If I leave you now, if I leave you, leave your family.
Look, Onwa, I'm telling you now. If you ever sit down with anybody and plan anything against me, it will come back to you. It will land back to you in a trailer fold. Can you imagine? What are you doing for me, Onwa? What are you doing for me? You answer Onwa, you brag, Onwa. Have you ever done anything for me before? I will refund those money to you. Wait, I will refund those money. I give you only 1 month to refund the 1 month is too much, oh. Make it 1 week.
Like her, she's so endowed. Wow. She's awesome.
Wow, I wait and see her now.
Here she comes.
All right then. Go back now and tell her that I'll see her tomorrow evening. Bye, my dear. John Paul. What's up now?
I'm doing good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hello.
Hello, baby girl. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I've been here waiting for you for a long time.
Are you serious?
Serious?
Okay.
So my friend John Paul has told me so much about you. Seeing you now brought so much joy into my life. Serious. I wish you can be the mother of my children. So I was like, okay, sorry. I said, please. You look so beautiful. You look gorgeous. So I'm proposing to you. Please.
What do you do for a living?
Yeah, I'm a trader.
This car, is it yours?
Yeah, it's one of my cars. Yep.
Okay, but I don't have anything to say now.
No,
I'm going to think about it.
You can't just walk away like that, please.
I'll get back to you through your friend John Paul, my cousin.
Please don't keep me waiting, okay?
No problem.
All right, thank you.
So how did you go?
My brother, she said she would get back at me through you. So yeah, seriously.
Don't worry yourself, she's my sister.
Are you sure?
Good afternoon.
Why are you nairizing me? Huh? What is that? Why are you
Nai, why are you sounding so strange and insulting this afternoon? Eh?
Strange and insulting, you say you have never seen anything strange and insulting. You are yet to see the wonders of your eyes. I'm speaking to you the truth. How won't that be strange and insulting when you have connived with your son to abduct my daughter to the city to go and stay without bride price?
Now wait. Now don't say it louder. Who told you? It's not true, and you know it's not true.
What is not true? That you have a son is not true. Or that your son stays in the city is not true. Or that my daughter currently is staying with your son now, is not true. And they are hammering for free. It's not true.
God forbid. Now you see, I am innocent of this. I am innocent of this. I'm going to send for my son so that I can know what is going on.
If you like, send for anything. All I am telling you is, please respect yourself. And if in 3 days, 4 days maximum, I don't see my daughter, what I will do to you, even the devil will not like it.
Are you sure it's not even your daughter that even run after my son?
What's happening, Mama?
I don't know. Is that is there? He came here to shout on me. Yeah.
Nze kwa? Nze ndị sharurara. Nze, pacha ya go.
My fellow elders, you see, this is my elder brother. You understand? So this is supposed to be done in my house, but because of the respect that I have for my elder brother and the love I have for him, so this is why I decided that let us hold this thing in his house. You understand? I don't want you people to start thinking, why didn't this thing happen in my house? Why my elder brother's house? So it's because of the love and respect. That is why I said, let us do this thing here. You understand?
Young man, you are welcome.
Thank you, my elders.
It's all right. It is true you've told me where you came from, but this is my elder brother. He needs to hear, and also the Omunna. You understand? Please tell my brother here where you come from. Yes, where you came from.
My elders, I'm from Anam, the neighboring town, and I'm Donatus Ekwe by name.
Young man, what do you do? What do you do for a living?
I'm a trader.
You trade? Is it Ayan too? Or Ayan? Or
my elders, I'm into electronics.
Eh?
Electronics.
Okay, electronics.
My son, kone wunduku gbo adoli hulo. The Kenny.
My elders, by the grace of God, that car is mine.
It's here. Yeah, Granny.
Uncle, Papa, this is drink he comes with, as tradition demands.
Wow.
We still have some here.
Wow.
These are the drinks we brought.
Yes.
One.
Each year.
No.
You have to call your daughter so that we will know whether she's aware of their coming.
That is true.
Adaba 1.5 hours. Oh, 1.5 hours. Adabe afa.
Oh, we Nana. Please call Oluchuku for us.
Yes, Uncle.
My brother here demanded that we should call you. You understand? He asked me to call you so that you will say it before us here. You understand? This young man here said he came to ask for your hand in marriage. So my brother said I should call you for you to confirm if you know this man here. You know?
How do you know him? Do you see him in party or in school?
Or on the road?
Or when you are on the top of Okada or Keke? Where do you see him?
No, Papa, he's my friend.
He's of your friend?
Yes,
Friend! Ha! Friend!
They go far before you.
You know about a friend, yeah?
No, Papa. He said he wants to marry me, so I said you should come and see my father and the elders.
This is what you should have said now. Telling us you brought your friend. This is what you should have, said.
Dinner we. When you are not going to be a sister, when you are not going to be a brother, when I do brother and sister, I hear you put one half.
It's all right. You can go.
You can go.
No problem.
Young man, once again, you are welcome. For the drink, it is just for the introduction. For you to collect the list, you must bring 5,000 naira. Okay.
You spoke our mind.
5,000 naira.
There is
Yes, just 5,000 naira.
That's the truth.
Other people do it. Okay, this is John Paul. This is not your talk. You understand? Elders are speaking.
Yes.
You understand? My brother.
My elders.
Okay.
Okay, my elders. Let me visit my car outside.
Visit. I'll get back at you.
He wants to go and consult his car for common 5,000.
Hapo onye ọbụla na-ata akụ tụrụ ọnụ ogologo. Onye na-ata akụ. Ọnụ ya tụrụ ogologo. My lord, you are welcome.
My elders, you are welcome. I did my best. I will marry Oluchila.
Yes. 5,000.
This is just the 5,000 naira, my elders.
Give it to my elder brother. I'm gone, please. Bon. It's all right.
Yes,
I've confirmed. Well, young man, since you have done what is required, this
our list. Okay, thank you, my elder.
If you go, take your time and study the.
Study.
Yes.
Don't read. Study
properly.
Not
read.
Study. Emeka.
Mama.
Emeka, what is the meaning of that? What sort of nonsense is that, Emeka? And you did not tell me. Look at how you are bringing bad name to us in this family.
Mama, let me talk. Allow me to talk now.
Emeka, talk what? Why did you ask this girl to come over to the city to meet you without my consent, Emeka?
Mama, I did not ask that girl to come over to the city to see me, for God's sake. I just woke up one morning and I saw her. I wanted to chase her away, but my friends asked me to leave her. Hence, she came on her own. What else do you want me to do?
Emeka, and you concord?
Yes.
They asked you to leave her. Emeka, and you concord? This is the girl. Somebody will not pay the dime on her head. Kobo, Emeka, I thought you said you will not continue with this marriage. How did you become interested again overnight without telling me?
Mama, you need to understand that the whole thing is just like a temptation unto me. It's just like a temptation unto me. I cannot help the situation. Okay, maybe now you may be saying that the villagers may be gossiping with our name, saying all sort of nonsense. I don't give a dime. Hence, he can't take anything away from me. I don't give a dime. As you often say, any day he wants her daughter bride price to be paid, let him call on me in normal human manner, and I will come and pay her bride price. But if he wants violence, I will give him to the court. Okay. It's not my fault, because the so-called wicked tradition encourages that abomination. It's not my fault.
The only thing is that if you go back now to the city, let that girl leave your house. Tell her to go back to the father, because I do not like the way the father is insulting me in this village. Because of that, paralysing our name all over the village. Do you hear me?
Mama, I have heard you. But now, I'm not in the mood now. I didn't even come for this.
Emeka,
I want to see people that...
I said you must let that girl leave your house.
Mama, I have heard you. What kind of nonsense is that? It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It is the wicked tradition. This is the tradition of this land. Nothing that the tradition of this land will not cause. The abomination is the tradition of that cause. No. I cannot take this. I say I can't take this anymore.
Listen to me now.
And you have to understand me.
Listen to me. I understand.
I know. Just go back to your father. Go back to your father, let me be. For what now? He is threatening my mother. Did I snatch you away from him? Or did I kidnap you? For what now? Please, go back to your father.
Amy, I'm very sorry. I know my dad don't know what he's doing. But I promise you, I'm going to handle it myself. Oh, please.
Whether he knows what he's doing or he didn't know what he's doing, all I'm saying is that you have to go in there, pack your things, and go back to him. Let him do with you whatever he wants. Please, let me be. Before they start saying that I use it for money ritual, please go back to your father. Let me be. I don't want this nonsense to continue.
Please, no, I'm sorry. Please, don't do this to me, please.
I'm not doing anything to you, please. I don't want this to go. Just go back to your father. Go back to him.
My brother, did you watch that match yesterday?
Yeah, it was terrible.
I told you that Real Madrid will suffer in the hands of Barca.
That is just football for you.
Did you see what Messi did to Sergio Ramos?
That guy was too much. By the way, my brother, something more important. That's why I'm here. Something more important than football. That's why I'm here.
Serious?
Yeah.
Then let's hear it now.
Imagine I've gone through that list. That list is close to 1 million naira. For what? Are they selling human beings?
My dear, I wouldn't know because I wasn't there when they made the list.
It's too much. It's too much. I can't do that. I rather use that money for something else.
But what I can only suggest for you is, since you love the girl in question, you should close your eyes and do what they ask you to do. After all, you have the money.
My friend, Oluchi is beautiful and I love her. But I will open my eyes and I will not pay that due for that list.
Okay.
It's too much on me.
So you're trying to tell me now that you open your eyes and you will not do it for the girl you claim that you love?
Yeah. Imagine, did they want to dupe me or what? Imagine. This paper, just this paper, for 5,000 naira.
And then you're here.
Hi, Don.
It's much.
Don, you're welcome.
Go through this. It's too much.
My angel is greeting you. Accept our greetings first.
There, you're welcome. I'm sorry.
You're welcome. Honey, what's going on? I heard him shouting they want to dupe me. I hope everything is okay.
Yes, my dear. Just that he's facing the same issue like us.
What is this?
The marriage list.
Huh?
Roughly 1 million naira.
Honey, not again. I mean, why are all these people trying to frustrate young people trying to build up a home? Why all this confusion? Anyway, I'll advise you. If you really love her, just stand by her, okay?
That's what I was telling him.
We faced worst case.
I do. But do they want to dupe me or what? 5,000 naira for this paper you're holding?
Honey, I need to go now.
It's too much.
In some kind of trouble.
I rather use that money for
but let's
something
try
else.
and off that room light.
Okay,
I
no
left
problem.
it coming down.
Okay.
My dear, it's your cross, so if you can carry it, you carry it. If you cannot, you remain single. After all, you're the one that choose the wife from an expensive...
You don't know what we'll face now.
We know that.
Too much, I can...
I thought I had people in this community. I never knew I don't have anyone. I'm seeing wolves among sheep. I thought you people are responsible chiefs. I never knew you are touts going around the community to castigate me. Why?
Why are you trying to blackmail? What is all this? What's wrong? Why are you calling us all these names?
Well,
I don't understand. Why are you talking like this?
Nze, shut up your mouth. You are their chief. You go around the community telling them that I'm reaching my part of the community money. You, look at you. I will deal with you personally.
Well, you can't be saying, you deal with them personally. You always say you will deal with them personally. Are you a Peace Square fan?
But your highness, it's like you are holding this thing against him.
Shut up your mouth. You are included.
Eh?
Yes, you. You are included. Two of you, I will deal with you personally.
Igwe. I'm sorry, sir.
Shut up! Igwe, personally, Igwe, I'm beginning to suspect you now. Maybe you are, in a way, an uncle to Peace Square. Because you are just repeating. Is it that you are their fan or what?
Anyone you feel like. That's what I said.
Igwe, this man to tell you this guy is not even leading that properly. He's leading with one leg. He's even leading with one leg.
I will finish with you. You will know who the Igwe of this community is.
Igwe, I'm sorry, please. I don't know anything about this.
I'm sorry for yourself. Shut up.
How can you be talking to Igwe? You want to kneel down and you're handing one of your head? Are you a chicken? How are you handing one of your leg on the air and giving Igwe one leg?
What is your oath?
Look, if you want to kneel down for Igwe, kneel down properly.
That's
I don't want to kneel
down.
Lying down like I come at least.
Ndisha, this meeting is over now. I want to go and sleep.
Igwe, look, Igwe, I don't even know why you're saying that all of us, you thought you had chiefs. You didn't know you had wolves in animal skin or in sheep skin. Yeah. Igwe, look, if you want to blackmail any person or if you want to condemn any person, go house by house, ask questions, investigate, interrogate. Then when you get the truth, Igwe, if Nzeya is an evil man, Igwe, I'm not an evil man. If no, we here is evil. Igwe, I am innocent.
Have you ever defended me anywhere?
Igwe, do you follow me around? Do you know how many times I have defended you? Igwe, how many times have I come to your palace and tell you that people talk about you and I fought for you?
Igwe was specific. He was referring to Nze.
Oh no, we don't even know your own record. Very soon now your record will come out and everybody will see your record. So shut up. Igwe, don't be angry. You know.
Nze, I'm hearing you.
Igwe, you called all of us wolves.
Yes.
It is okay. I have learned because of how this world is so bad to transform and turn every bad thing into something good for me. Okay. Instead of me to go out here and vex and hit my head on wall and go and hang myself in the house because you have called me wolf. I will just imagine I am a footballer and we're playing Warri Wolves.
Okay. No problem. Yes! You see, this is good on them. I'm telling you, honestly speaking. Igwe, look at, I was seeing Nze. Nze was lying down like, I said Nze. Nze was, I'm telling you. Nze was lying down like a pussycat, lying flat, begging. I said, look at, Nze, you are showing muscle. You know, you are so gariga. Now you are lying down, prostrated, begging Igwe. Where is your power? Nze couldn't talk again. Igwe, this is what is nice on them, honestly speaking. It's nice on them.
At least let us have peace in this community.
Yes. You see, I want two of you to be my spies all over the community.
Igwe, you can bank on us. Honestly speaking. We will go and relax. We will protect you left, right, and center. You don't have a problem.
Of course. There's another secret. By the end of the month, the government is going to give us some money for the rehabilitation of that elementary school. And if they do, we do justice to the money.
Hey! Igwe! Hey! Igwe, you will live long.
You are going to live long.
In fact, Igwe, you are going to live longer than Methuselah. You understand? But you know,
we're looking forward for that mountain.
This is nice.
It's good to be with the winning.
Look, let me tell you, anything less than, the winning party, you're on the wrong side.
On the wrong side.
Igwe, I guess so. Come on, Igwe.
Mama, he's seriously saying that if the marriage must hold, that he's not going to carry out whatever the tradition demands. That's what he's saying.
You see? And I support the young man. Where he stood is where I stand. Do you know why? As far as I'm concerned, I will never be a part that will tell somebody to do what he cannot freely do. Akwenano, my sister, listen to me. For your own good and for my own good, though, I'm telling you nothing but the truth. See, Achom Ketono, Papa, you better go right now and tell that young man to come and do whatever thing he can.
Shut up your mouth. I say no.
Mama, I say yes.
I say no. You can't disobey the elders. Elders cannot permit it. The elders of this land cannot permit that.
Makageni.
Mama, forget about whatever the elders are saying. Whatever the elders are saying right now does not count.
Oh.
Because I'm sure if my father or Uncle Ogemba were to be alive, they wouldn't have followed any of this tradition.
Now that your father is dead and they are gone, who will stand to collect your bride price? Who will stand for you as a father on that day?
Mama,
if you don't listen to them?
Mama, it was not this thing, Ekubiko. Stop saying all these things. Am I not a man? Am I not a man? Her blood brother for that matter. As Papa is gone, am I not there? And my cousin Emeka is also there. We are going to stand for her, please.
Okpoka, both of you are kids.
Both
of you are kids. We are talking about marriage issues, not football.
So?
We are talking about marriage issues. When it comes to marriage issues, kids don't handle them. It's the elders.
Mama, in some cases, protocols need to be broken. And what we are saying here is marriage issue. Age does not really count now.
At all.
They can stand for me, Mama. So far, they are doing it with maturity. That's just it.
Angela, my daughter. Mama.
I understand your feelings.
I don't understand.
But try to listen to your mother.
For where?
I support her. See, your cousin, Emeka, and your brother here, they are too small to stand for you as a father. Hey, Peka.
Mama, I like you.
Sit down.
I don't like this kind of thing. Why can you say that this kind of thing that we are kids? Mama, I disagree. We can.
Opoka, listen to you. Both of you should listen to us, your mothers. We cannot lead you astray.
Mama, me, I do not like all this kind of thing that people are saying. No, I do not like it at all. Whether tradition or no tradition, whether elders or no elders, Mama, this thing must hold. It must hold, though. Eze Okugo must marry me.
Ma'am, I support you. Yes.
Angela.
Mama.
Angela.
You have married
Angela.
your own, and my sister must get married.
Shut up your mouth.
I will
Angela,
not.
come and sit down here.
Mama will not.
Come and sit down
she
here.
must
Listen
get
to me.
married. She's
Come
my
and sit down
sister.
here.
Mama, no
Come
go.
on.
Village girl. Shower shop. Sorry, shower. If I'm going, I'll take this one. This one. This one. It's not right there.
All of them. See that one, don't touch it. It's for my papa. It's papa's own, don't touch it. Is there everything you want to take? Beg.
Hey. I was so happy when I heard you getting married. And you did not even tell me when you did it. Why are you looking like this? Are you not happy you're getting married or what?
Who will not be happy getting married except he's being forced to it?
Forced to it? Who is forcing you?
Olaku, nobody is forcing me. It's just that guy is beginning to act funny. That guy is acting strange.
Yeah. Makagini.
The list my father and those wicked elders gave to that guy is close to 1 million naira. Oh. 1 million to marry me. Look at me. 1 million naira. Now, watch me. I'm talking to you. That guy is on the run. He said they want to dupe him.
I mean, what other thing can you call it if not duping? What kind of wickedness is this? Eh? What other thing will you call it if not duping? Eh? I mean, what kind of wickedness is this? Eh? See, Oluchukwu, I don't want you to feel bad about this, okay? All I want you to do is to open your eyes. Let us hold the bull by the horn. Don't you see Chichi? How she packed all her belongings into her husband's house. They should say anything they like, whatever anybody likes, let them say. By the time the father is ready, he will go there with a beg to ask for the man to come and pay the necessary arrangements. But as for me, to allow a man close down his business just because he wants to get married, waiting, I will not advise you. I will not advise any man. After the marriage, what would they be feeding on now? Grass?
See, I'm so sorry for Papa. I'm so sorry for him because the kind of shame. I have my own plan. I have my own plan. Don't worry. Just watch me. Because these people are just frustrating me. I'm so confused. I'm just tired of it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to be confused. Okay? Just like what I told you earlier. Just open your eyes. Because for me, Moa, if any man comes to married now, so long as he is healthy, before he opens his mouth to say, actually no, I have packed my things to his house. Are you serious? I have packed my things to his house. Because hence, that is what this wicked tradition and these evil elders want from us. Before they will just tie me and keep in my father's house unmarried.
They want us to remain in their house and be running errand. They don't want us to get married and go to the city. Don't worry, let's go inside. Let me give you what you want. I have my plan.
I like
you
that
two will be
spirit.
surprised.
I like the spirit.
My husband.
Let me take that for the first time.
Hey, you're so good. Thank you.
Animal. Shishimo.
You thought I would not find you. We have caught you today, as a matter of fact. Look at you. This is you.
And this is us. Today and today.
Yes, so Emeka, you have the guts to take somebody's daughter without paying even a dime. Hi! You will be in a city now, Hey! You have turned our tradition upside down. An abomination. Seriously, abomination.
So, Papa, you left village just to come and insult my husband, Abi?
Shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth. What do you know? Huh? Wait. What do you call husband? Is this thing husband? Huh? See this man, I don't even understand. What can... Partially you look like olive oil, but you be husband? What kind of thing is this? Huh? You call this your husband?
It's my husband.
He's your husband. Look, if you know what is good for you, shut up that your mouth or I'll shut it for you. I'm looking for a son-in-law, something I can call my son, not be shrine-in-law. Please.
Papa.
And you, Papa, listen to me. When you want to choose husband, you know your size, you know you're not tall. You go and choose this one that was created in the image of side stool. And you want to come and, do you want to produce decimal points in this house? Huh? You want to produce your children will be like dot.
Papa.
Like tennis. Eh?
Papa,
all around the house! Huh? You know see as I be? You know see your mama? If I didn't choose well, I go and choose a better. Would you have been this fine for this feeding bottle to be hanging around you everywhere and be sucking something? Eh? As a matter of fact, get inside there and pack up your things. We are going back to the village now.
Village.
Papa,
you don't get anywhere.
I said it. This idiot have Black Friday. Huh? So you keep both of you decided to live together. Eh? It's an abomination. It's an abomination. They are turned our tradition upside down.
Nice. And Mazin Chama. I have been keeping quiet all this while, watching both of you. I've taken much of this. You say your tradition. To hell with that wicked tradition that will not allow your daughter to get married at the appropriate time. To remain in her father's house unmarried.
To heaven with this your mouth that is like ghetto. To heaven with this your black mouth that is like burnt cattle. Huh? For tradition. What tradition? You prefer the tradition that will allow you to take my daughter from the father's house, from the house. Am I complaining that I'm not training her? Am I complaining of food? That I don't have food to give her? You took her and brought her and put inside your house. Men like you are dangerous in the West. And I know it. See Hammer. You are doing my daughter MC Hammer. You stand here. Are they deceiving me? Get to stand here! I'm your father. I say stand here. I command you to stand here. Now, I'm using eye gauge. Papa, I fear for this waist. She turn around. I remember that time I used to train you. You stand. That time you used to be bathing naked. My head, my shoulder, my waist, my toes. Leave head, shoulder, and toes. Show me waist. Turn around. This is uncommon transformation of the waist. Turn around!
Turn around.
Turn around. I want to use eye gauge. Turn around. I said turn around.
You are turning around for your father.
Turn around again. Turn around again. I said turn around again.
You are still turning.
She turned. Oh, the waist is gone. I'm using the eye gauge. And I have dodged it. This very waist is not the same quantity of waist that left my house. And look at your leg. Now, this man has done wonders with his waist to your own, and now you are developing bow leg. Are you a defender? You play Falcons? Tell me! Oh! Look, let me tell you something. Your bread press, you were talking about high price of bread press. You are now mistaken. You will pay me for illegal hammering. You have transformed. Okay. Ow! Hi! I can't bear it.
Papa.
Yes.
It's me you're talking about. The next minute, if you didn't leave this place, I will show you that I'm a mad person. In fact, I will be the first to beat up my father.
phone.
You beat your father.
I'll kill him.
I said it.
I said it. No, I suspected it. My own daughter cannot do this to me. Let me call my wife.
Papa, to call Mama.
Is this not possible?
I don't need. Please, I should go to the village.
Go.
Let me go inside.
Go pack up your things and go.
Don't worry now. I don't need to call Mama.
Go. Go and pack.
Stop pushing me. Don't push me. I'll go and pack my things.
Wait for you.
My husband.
No,
don't worry.
You want to go with your father?
Yeah, I want to go with my father. Don't worry. But wait.
This one that has developed hair in every part of his body, even his teeth. You're calling husband.
I have taken much of this from your people. I have taken much of this from your people. You say I'm working against your tradition. Your tradition that will not allow your daughter to get married at the right time to be in her husband's place.
My friend, shut up. I mean well for my daughter. Look at you. Brief illness like you. See as you be. My daughter should have married Pata bungalow. You are uncompleted building. Look at how you are. Men who are very short like this, every time they'll say he died of brief illness. It cannot be protracted or long illness. Your illness cannot be long. One like this, you just die. It's true. Can malaria catch you for up to 3 minutes? You die because you are not tall. I will never allow my daughter to be.
I will deal with you. If your father has seen here, I will deal with your father. My father, I will tell your father. No. Also call Otigo. I'm telling you the right truth. What nonsense? In fact, I'm not going again. I'm not going again. This is an insult to me. This is an insult. I can't take this shit.
I don't want.
You're crying. What is it? Talk to me, what is it?
It's Papa.
Your father?
Yes.
Did he beat you?
Mama, he didn't beat me. What is it? My Papa is so wicked, so I've let all my suitors run away.
Is that why you're crying? It's not your father's fault. It's the tradition.
What tradition? What kind of wicked tradition is that? If anybody wants the daughter to get married, he knows what to do.
Huh? What is it? Why is she crying? She's still crying. She's still crying over this matter.
Her shoe that will not cry.
On her shoe. Shoes as what? Shoes as what?
Papa, this is what you have to say, Abby. This is what you have to say. See, very soon, sooner than you think, shame will come upon you in this community. Shame, big shame will come upon you. Just watch us.
Big shame will come upon me.
Yes.
Big shame will come upon me.
Sooner than you.
Did I invite shame?
Sooner than you think you see.
Did I invite shame? Shame will come upon me. Is it not who invites shame that shame goes to? Look at you. You think shame will come upon me? That's going to be shameful. Nnago, who is Nnago? Nnago is who? Who is Nnago? Look at you. This is what you taught her. That's what she's practicing.
Taught her what?
Tautology.
Don't just put the blame on me. After all, you contributed to her sorrow.
Which sorrow? Did I kill her husband? Did I make her lose a contract? I brought sorrow to her. Look at you. Why younger?
Shame to you. I blame
Because
you.
of me?
Is it that will get the shame?
Look at you. You. Why younger? I married you to make me happy and to bear me good children. You now went and bought me. I don't even know. I was even suspecting my son. Now I'm suspecting this girl. If I actually gave birth to this child. Look at you. By the time I go and come back, you have a lot of things to explain to me. You will have Mba in this house. You will have Ichama Kamba in this house. You want to wrestle me. By the time I go and come back, that wrestling, we'll wrestle it. And everybody will be, come. Idiots. You think, come. Oluchuku, you want to bring shame to your father? I did a lot of things before you came. You want to bring shame on me. Shame on you. You, first and foremost, shame on you. You will see it. Let me go and come back.
for your sister Angela. Eh? Let her get married. Eh? Let's see if this yoke in this land will be broken.
My brother, yes, the yoke is going to be broken, of course. Do you know why? I'm very, very tired.
Why?
Because of my sister staying in my father's house. Because she's not getting any younger. Man, in this very traditional marriage of her, protocols must be ignored.
Opoka, who know the games the wicked elders are going to play that day?
And who cares? Who is going to tell them, by the way, or are you going to tell them? Then why complaining? The way I and Demeka planned it, is going to be a secret marriage. But in case they get to know, and they try any rubbish on that very day, I will be forced to fight the elders of this very family. It is not good for one to repair it, they not so.
Greetings.
So, who repaired it not so?
The people.
The people? Which people?
They know themselves.
Listen, both of you should stop gossiping like women. You are men! That is by the way. I heard that your sister will be getting married soon.
So?
And your mother and members of your family, including Emeka, have refused to consult the elders of the family. Hey! But!
Ichie forgot the but. Something like but.
Look at this bastard. Talk to you like this.
You are not going to shut up because you people said that we should stop gossiping, that we are not women. And you people are here to listen to gossip. If you want to know the truth in the elders, why not come to the house and find out the truth yourself?
Okay,
respect yourself.
You will see. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.